it up on faith, y'all. Like, I'm not playing. I've been trying to go back into the workforce, you know what I mean? I'm trying to go back to work, you know, and, you know, start working full time again. But listen, y'all, it's hard out here, man. It's hard. But at the same time, it's like, you know, maybe this is not for me. Maybe I need to stay what I'm doing, you know, just be my own boss. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I know I have not posted in a minute, but I wanted to go ahead and show you guys what I ordered for my salon. If you're new to my channel, I have a braiding salon. It's called Blue Haven Salon, and so it's in my home. So I converted a formal living room into my hair salon, and so I'm going to be revamping my salon. I am going to be giving it a total makeover, you guys. So I just bought some stuff at Ross. I ordered some stuff from Amazon, and I'm going to do an unboxing with you. And so I'm going to share with you guys what I bought, and then I'm going to actually do the makeover in another video. So let's go ahead and do this unboxing and see exactly what I bought. So the first thing is not even going to be in a box. It's right behind me. This is a shelf that I bought from Ross. It was for $89. And so this shelf is going to, you know, just hold nice things. I will be doing some hair products. Yes, I'm going to be making some handmade products, just two, but I want to be able to showcase it on this shelf as well, okay? So I think it's super cute, and it goes along with my theme. As you can see, the artwork, one of them fell back here, and I got to fix it, so it's down for the countdown for right now. But you know, my theme colors are black, white, and gold in my salon, but my logo colors is blue, white, and gray. So so yeah, so that's that, okay? So that's the first thing that I bought. The second thing I got from Wayfair. So Wayfair is where I got this stool. I thought I bought black. I thought I bought a black one, but it's this color. I don't care. But this is like a I forget what kind of stool it is, but it is for when I am braiding and I need to be able to sit down because my feet do get swollen from being on my feet for a long period of time. So this is just for me to be able to sit and still be able to braid my client's hair, okay? So that was, this one was on sale. It was on sale for $64.99, and of course, it was free shipping, okay? So it didn't take long for me to get it. The next thing I bought, I'm actually sitting on it right now, but it is a storage ottoman. So this storage ottoman, I'm just gonna go ahead and put the picture right here, but basically it is able to serve two purposes. It's a place where you can sit down, and then also you can actually use it as storage. So I bought this one because I wanted to be able to store my hair. I didn't want to have a box or a bin in my salon, so I wanted it to be like kind of like hidden. So as because I supply the hair for my clients, so I want to be able to have a place where I can just store all the hair, so it's not, you know, in a weird compartment somewhere in the salon, okay? And then, yeah, so that's that. Now, mind you, it is a espresso color. However, this is gonna be another DIY project. I plan to reupholster it because I want to do like a black leather type thing with it. So that's gonna be another project. I'm gonna have my second mom help me with that project. She don't know yet, but she's gonna help me with that project. So not something I'm trying to do right now, but as long as I get the majority of the things in my salon together, then I'll tackle that thing on, okay? Moving on, all right. So when I was at Ross, I also found these cute frames. These frames are $5.99 each, and I think it's super cute. So I don't know exactly what I'm gonna put in here just yet, but I bought two. I bought two of them, and it fits perfectly on these shelves too, by the way, you see? This is so cute. So yeah, so I got two of those, and then let's go ahead and see what I got from Amazon. So let's go ahead and open up this box to see. And all this came today, so we are in the middle of February, February the 20th, oh my gosh, y'all. I am in, we are in the month of January, so I'm not too sure I'm not too sure when I'm going to post this video because I have to edit it, but today is January the 20th, Inauguration Day. Hey. So, I don't know when I'm going to actually post this video. However, my goal is to have my salon and everything done by the end of this month so I can do a whole little relaunch February 1st, okay? So the first thing I got was an electric water kettle. This was $19.99. I was not trying to go crazy or anything like that, but this is for me to pour water on the ends to seal the ends of the braids, okay? So of course, you know, I got it in the color black, hey? So yeah, so that was that, Amazon. And the next thing I got is this thing right here. I'm going to show you. Being that I have products that I am going to have in my salon, I went ahead and got these. These should be 2-ounce bottles, okay? So these are 2-ounce bottles of, it has a applicator. Is it called applicator? I don't know what it's called, but yeah. So you can twist the top and be able to apply the oil onto your scalp. So that's basically what this is. I'm going to be releasing a hair scalp relief oil. I will be relieving a scalp relief oil, okay? So these are going to be my sample bottles. I'm going to be selling them to my clients as they come so that they are able to try it and let me know what they think before I release it. I don't have a release date yet or anything like that. I don't have a label for it yet, but y'all, you gotta start from somewhere, okay? So I got these, and I only got the 6. I only got 6 because, you know, when you're starting off with something, you know, you start off small, you know, sample batches and see how things go. So if I need to tweak it or do whatever I need to do, I can go ahead and do it. So yeah, so just 6. Okay, just got 6 of them. Okay, let's see what else is in this box. Okay, all right, so, okay, so I have my oils, okay? So I have my oils. I'm not gonna tell y'all what these oils are, but I have my oils that I'm going to be using for the scalp relief hair oil, okay? So that was all in this box. And so the next box, it's a little bit bigger, so I'm not gonna be able to put it on my lap. But you guys, let me tell you, I am stepping up on faith, y'all. Like, I'm not playing. I've been trying to go back into the workforce, you know what I mean? I'm trying to go back to work, you know, and, you know, start working full time again. But listen, y'all, it's hard out here, man. It's hard. But at the same time, it's like, you know, maybe this is not for me. Maybe I need to stay what I'm doing, you know, just be my own boss. So I decided to stop applying for jobs, you know, because I felt like, you know, if I've had interviews, if I submitted my resume, did everything, passed all the examinations, and you feel like I'm still not the perfect fit, then maybe I'm really not the perfect fit for your organization. So that's why I'm now 2021. 2020 was a little crazy, but hey, we made it through. But with 2021, I'm like, you know what? I don't have time. I don't have time to play. You know, I'm going to be my own boss. I make up the rules. I do what I want to do, okay? And so I'm very into customer service, treating my clients with utmost respect, making them feel special. So I am doing everything that I can do to make my home salon be an upscale, high class, luxurious salon, okay? Yes, it's in my house, but until I'm able to branch out and open up my own salon, this is what we're going to be doing, okay? This is what we're going to do. So if you know, are on the fence on whether or not you should launch your business, go ahead and do it, okay? Don't feel like, you know, business is going to be booming so much you won't be able to handle it. Start with where you at, and God will prepare you along the way, okay? So step out on faith. Do what you got to do, okay? If you have a full-time job, go part-time. Instead of working 5 days, work 4 days. And that extra day, put it towards your business, okay? Put it towards your business. Okay, I'm done talking, all right? Yes, y'all. So, I'm so excited, you guys. I am so excited. All right, let's see. Oh, these are big. I got boxwood. All right, so basically I'm going to have a backdrop. I'm going to have a backdrop wall, and that's what the bench is for too. It's going to go right in front of it. So basically, as my clients are done, when my clients are done, get their hair done, they have a cute backdrop to take their selfies. So I think it's going to be a great thing to add to my salon to just enhance their experience. So they're going to come, you know, get their hair done, take a little selfie, hashtag Blue Haven Salon, the Blue Experience, and yeah, you know, it's going to be on and popping. So I bought, this set came with 12, okay? I already measured my wall and everything on where I'm going to put it. And I also reached out to an engravings company that's in my area, and she is going to be doing my sign to go on here. It's going to be a wooden sign. I'm going to spray paint it white, so that's another part. There's going to be another video where I show you how I spray paint it. However, I was going to do like a neon sign, but y'all, I'm not there yet. It was too expensive. It was not, no. I wasn't trying to invest that money into a neon sign. So I said, you know what? Let's go ahead and still, you know, you still get that same feel, that same vibe, but yeah, I'm not about to spend $300 on no neon sign. No, ma'am. So yeah, so you guys, that is pretty much it. That's my unboxing. Yeah, so I didn't want this video to be too long. I will edit it so it can be short. But yeah, so the second video that I will upload to my channel will be me actually, you'll see me actually getting my salon ready, okay? And so the other thing I want to be able to incorporate in my salon is like holidays and seasons. So I want to be able to put touches of, like, you know, Valentine's Day is coming up. So right now, as you can see, yeah, you see I got these little touches of Valentine's Day in my salon. So I want to be able to have like candles that's Valentine's Day theme related, and you know, Mother's Day coming up. Like as the seasons change, holidays come up, I want to be able to like have these little pieces here and there around my salon, okay? So yeah, I'm done babbling. That is it, you guys. I hope you like this video. If you want to see me do this DIY Ottoman, let me know in the comments below. If you want to see me do other projects, let me know, and I got you. I will be pushing them out, okay? Because guess what, baby? I'm my own boss. I'm in my own schedule, honey. Yes, so thank you guys for your support. Go ahead and hit that like button if you like this video. Subscribe to my channel because I will be adding more videos on this channel. This channel is more so like DIY projects. And so my other event planning business, y'all, I got some good stuff coming up, and I will be posting it on this channel. So if you don't know, I have 2 YouTube channels. The first one is the Divra Shoppe, and this channel, okay, at Natural Beauty 089. So this is where I, you know, show my creative side. You guys see me do my little DIY projects. So yeah, so I will be, you guys, like, God is so good, y'all. God is so good. Like, I am putting my all into my business. I'm not playing. I'm not playing, y'all. And so I have great things coming. And so y'all, just make sure y'all subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell, okay? Because your girl is not playing, okay? She's not playing, okay? So y'all be blessed. Y'all have a good day. I will catch you on my next video.